Welcome to part 2 of our series of 10 plus ways to make extra income without going back to school. I am Tiffany Godfrey, your committed wife coach. Look, if you didn't see part 1, you can go ahead and click right up there and you will see part 1 because you can't miss any of these items. And by the way, I said 10 plus, not just 10. So, and let me just tell you this, from part 1, if you haven't gotten a chance to see it, my favorite one was to become a YouTuber. And if you are looking at sharing any message, promoting anything, whether it's quilting, whether it's real estate or cooking, there is a free class I want you to check out to get some tips on how to grow your YouTube business, because anything you do, you got to share the message, and YouTube will help you to do that. So go ahead and click that link below. You'll be able to get access to a free class. And let's get into number 7. Number 7, become a tutor. Let me ask you a question. What comes easy to you? Is it dancing? Is it cooking? Is it music? Is it taking care of children? What comes easy to you that may not be easy for some other people? You know, a lot of people think that what they do, anybody can do it, but I'm telling you, child, it does not. And you can become a tutor in anything. I'll tell you, one of the biggest ones is math. People need tutors in algebra, geometry, calculus, pre-calculus, basic math, because some people just don't get it. I was one of those people in high school. I could have benefited from a math tutor. But anyway, that was many years ago, so we won't go back there. Another area would be foreign language. Now, for me, foreign language came easy, but there are some people who really need help with foreign language. Let's say you have somebody who's a high school student, they're good at everything, but for whatever reason, they can't get that uvular R. They can't get that roll. They can't get whatever it is, they can't do it. They're not able to comprehend, and they need this to graduate. Or even a person who is Spanish speaking and they need help with English as a second language. So you can be a tutor. What about science, chemistry, physics? Something that you're good at that other people need a little bit of help. They will pay you to help them succeed. Number 7, writing books. Maybe you have a message that is great, but you can't get across the country and across the world. Putting your message in a book is one of the best things you can do. And really all you have to do is create a book, get it formatted, upload it to Amazon, and you're good to go. People will pay you for the words and the message that you have if it will help them to become better, succeed, have better relationships, have relief, have pleasure, whatever the case may be. People will pay you to write them a message, and your message can be put into a book. Number 9, you can teach online courses. Again, going back to that tutoring and that ability. Well, you can show people step by step from beginning to end how to do certain things. You could be an artist. Maybe some people want to learn how to be an artist, to paint. Different things you can teach people to do online. And 2 platforms that I have used are Teachable and Thinkific. If you want to learn more about that, there are some links at the bottom. Go ahead and click those. And then number 10, girl, you can sell your stuff online. If you are in desperate need, start selling stuff. Selling your books, selling clothes that you're not using. Sell stuff online. Sell some things that maybe you make. Hey, you got all kinds of platforms. You've got eBay, you've got OfferUp, you've got Amazon, you've got Etsy. All kinds of platforms that you can sell your stuff, get rid of stuff. If you're not using it, why keep it? Okay. And then you can have a yard sale. So I did a yard sale a few months ago. I learned a big lesson. If your goal is to get rid of stuff and make some money, you need to price the stuff about 50 to 75% less than what you would normally charge, or less than what you think it's worth. Because people will pay you for bargains, but they're not going to pay you full price. So if you do a yard sale, you just have to get a permit. I know in the state I'm in, you get a permit and you start putting your stuff out. You need to kind of categorize stuff, get it together, and then when you're ready to put stuff out there, you need to have a team, at least 2 or 3 people to help you move stuff and get it in. You know you're going to have to pay those people, probably, unless it's your kids. But I paid my kids too. But anyway, have a yard sale. And then last but not least, number 12, if you are the creative type, go ahead and you can create baskets for occasions. How about these baby reveals? You can create a gift basket for people, engagement parties, bridal showers, retirement parties, anniversaries. You can create something. I have a friend who does that, and she puts all kind of candies in it, the apple cider, and just little tidbits based on the theme of whatever she's doing, and it just makes people feel special. And that's really what your goal is. When you're making money off your passion, you want people to feel special. You want them to feel noticed. You want them to feel understood and even loved and even smarter. So these are the 10 plus ways to make income. But again, like I said, no matter what you decide to do, you have got to get that message out. Just telling your cousin is not going to help it, because she probably is not going to tell too many people. You need to put yourself out on a public platform that will help you to get the viewers, the community, the lookers, the buyers that you want to have in your sphere of influence. So again, I would recommend that you look at going on YouTube as a platform to reach the masses. There is a free link right below this video. Go ahead. You don't lose anything from it. Just go ahead and check it out, because that could be the difference between you being a pauper and you being a millionaire. All right, girl, I will see you in the next video.